Cooler.
Oh, that's a cool light.
Yeah, this is taxi time.
Oh.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Taxi on the Lens. We're back at it again with yet another one, man. If you're new to the channel, you know what I'm saying, welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in, for tapping in. So let's make it happen. Today we have
Brittany.
We have Brittany here, man. We have Brittany here. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit of behind the scenes, a little bit of like, you know, posing again. You know, that's like the thing that you guys are loving so much.
It's
you know what I'm saying? It's something. It's something.
It does something.
It does something.
In case she wants to say anything, I'm gonna be like,
just in case. I had a robe on though.
I had a robe on. What are we talking about here?
And flowers. Like,
and
come on.
flowers.
I'm giving, you know, like, you know, dark angelic.
I'm doing dark angelic.
At the same time, man.
Let me get these.
At the same time. Yeah, I mean, that one is all, that was the expensive one.
I was like, damn, this is long
yeah,
as
that's
fuck.
the one. Yeah, that's that was the like. I bought that one by itself on some shit. Okay, bet. Let's see what we can do here. All right, you guys. I'm trying to come up with crazy names for all my poses, and that's probably like the last thing I gotta do.
Like actual cool names?
Yeah, like I don't want it to be like, you know how they're on the ground, they got their like leg in the air. Yeah. The leg in the back in the air. Scorpion. I don't know. We just do some crazy shit. Cause I want it to be like unique. Like I want you to read the book and want to share it. Like I want you to be like, yo, bro, what the fuck did they name this? Or like, bro, this is hard. Like, you know what I mean? Something like that.
The jellyfish.
The jellyfish. I don't know. I don't know. There's one pose that's like this. Maybe.
Okay,
I don't know. That might be the. No, that is more like a crab. Yeah. That crab's hard. Larry the Lobster. Oh, no cap.
Not Larry the Lobster.
Larry the Lobster. I see that one. All right, bet. How'd you find me? Did I ask you that? Who?
Chitty.
Who?
My friend Chitty.
Bro, I'm trying to think.
It's okay. You seem like you know a lot of people, but also.
No, I do though. That's why I'm trying to run through the brain. Oh, okay. I was wondering. I'm like, bro. I'm like college. All I kept thinking was college.
College.
I'm like, I'm trying to think. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I bought
something.
MVP, so I've seen like I think it was Lanaya.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry.
It happens. You know what I'm saying? It happens. Everybody.
But I was like, that's unique.
But okay, that makes sense. Cause I was like, bro, what? Cause I was like, website. I was like, bro, somebody didn't you text me through the website? So.
Oh wait.
I swear you texted me through the. Through the DM.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. See, a lot of people. It happens, though. You know what I'm saying? It happens, bro. It happens. The scheduling part's the hard part. Okay, nails. Hold it. There you go. There we go. So you get all of these, by the way. I don't know. This is for your birthday?
Yes.
Okay, makes sense. Hold it. I got. All right, you got. He twitching and shit. Hold it. There we go.
Woo.
I'm
back.
You know, it happens to the best of us. It happens to the best of us.
Oh, these are cute. I don't like that lighting.
You don't? All right, bet. So what, lighter or darker?
Okay, I like that lighting. But I think I like it a little. I don't know. Because go back to the other one.
The ones you didn't like?
Yeah, I didn't like.
Wait, these. Wait.
Yeah, I didn't like that one too much. I feel like that one's cute, but with probably a different pose. So I don't know. I think a lighting between the one and the other one.
Okay, bet. Let's mix it. Is that better or lighter or darker?
A little lighter.
All right, bet.
Yeah. Yeah, something like that.
There we go.
Am I allowed to try different wallpapers?
I mean, you're supposed to only get one, but...
That's cute. Okay. Oh, that was cute. I like that one.
Because I also have... Hold on, let me see. Coolers. Cooler.
Oh, that's a cool light.
Yeah, this is taxi time.
Oh. I was like, okay.
Nah, but yeah. Nah, I have like all the LEDs.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need